Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, here's pinecone centerpiece decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Pinecone Christmas centerpiece. Nothing say Christmas quite like pincones. Natural little ornament, simple and full of winter charm. Pincones can turn any table into a holiday masterpiece. Today we are making a beautiful pinecone centerpiece that cozy, elegant and easy to clean. Using just a few simple things you can already have at home. For this project you will need a few pincones of different size, a tray. Friends, pinecone can turn any table into a holiday masterpiece. Today we are making a beautiful pinecone centerpiece that cozy, elegant and easy to create using just a few simple things you can already have at home. For this project you will need a few pincones of different size, a tray, balls, some candles or fairy lights, a handful of pins and creamy optional touch like dry orange, berries, ribbon or golden spray paint. That it's nothing fancy, just a simple natural beauty. Viewers, if your pincones are freshly plucked, make sure they are clean and dry. You can even dust them with a little white paint or glitter for that forest snow effects. Golden or silver spray add a festive spark that catch the candlelight. Beautifully arrange the base. Start with your tray or bowl. This will hold your arrangement. Place a large candle in the center or even a few smaller one group together. Now start rounding the candles with pincones, mixing size to add divots and shape. In small spring of greenery to fill the gap. It's add texture and a fresh winter scent. Add holiday details. Now the fun part, add berries, ribbon, dry orange or tiny ornaments to match your Christmas color theme. Red and golden for a traditional look, silver and white for a forest